Shalom, this is Doug, Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. I finally got the emcomm tools to work with this screen. I restarted it a couple different times, make sure it worked after the install. I booted it alongside 2210 on this second mini PC. Don't really know what I did, but it worked. The install looked like it was the big screen that I couldn't do everything on, but now it works fine. I think it was 800 by 400 instead of 1920 by 1840, whatever. I forget all that stuff easily. And on the laptop, I've got it set up, R6 set up to boot alongside Windows, just so I can keep things the Windows side for editing and stuff. So I can take this one with me if I go somewhere that isn't the ranch, and I want to do digital. I did test this and sent and received a few emails using the 7800 here, using Gaston's node up northeast of here, and I'm getting ready to get on the Arizona HF net, regional net. It's at 5 o'clock today, but just figured I'd update. But I think I am going to be taking this one to the ranch to use, or maybe just to see, I may use the existing one there, but I do like the fact this is 12 volt powered, so that I can actually plug it into the battery directly without having any converters. If you have any suggestions on 12 volt mini PCs or 12 volt PCs in general, please let me know. I'd prefer at least 8 gigs of RAM, so that I could make sure I have enough space, enough wiggle room. But finally got that taken together, and see if I can do some more with it and do more tinkering. But I have one of those other ones you get on Amazon that are rectangles at the ranch. I think those were a little more if I remember correctly. But I want some 12 volt ones so that I can actually plug it into the battery and not have to rely on AC mains or a one of those like Yeti backup type things, or Blue Yeti, whatever. I forget names a lot. But anyway, just a quick update in the shack for this. Did some testing, and now that I'm having fun, now that I got it working, but it's a little frustrating. Shalom 73. Have a great week.